our friends here are going to draw a Princess Fairy Panda.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun and really cute. And we hope you're going to follow along with us. Let's show our friends what this art lesson looks like.
Okay, this lesson was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and I love all of the extra details that we added. This is a really fun lesson for young artists, but it's also fun for all ages.
Yes.
And we also use our marker to draw with, and we use crayons to color with, and we use regular paper to draw on.
You can pause the video and get all of your art supplies ready.
And also remember, during this lesson, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Look how different both of ours look, but they both turned out awesome.
Yes.
So remember, the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, have fun and practice. All right, let's clear everything off and we'll get started. Let's first start by drawing our little cute panda's nose. We're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper. I'm going to draw a circle like this. Or an oval shape.
It's so small.
Yeah, it's really small. And then let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a little curve that comes out to the left and also out to the right. Yeah, and then let's also draw our little mouth open. Yeah, okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle this size, and I'm going to draw another circle on the other side the same size to match. Oh, that's a good size circle. Wow, and look how round it is. You did two really round circles. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Now let's draw the little circle in the top of each eye. This is to make the eyes look shiny. Yeah. And let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember you can pause the video and take extra time to color in your eyes. And I also noticed that you colored in the little highlight or the little shiny part, and that's okay. We have a white colored pencil, and you could color that back in. Oh, you want to, here, let me hold your, then you can use your left hand. There you go. Look at that, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
This is a Prismacolor colored pencil, and I love these colored pencils because you can go back over the black marker on top and kind of add the white back in. Now we're going to add little spots around our eyes, but let's do that later after we draw the shape of our panda's head. So let's start here. We're going to draw the cheeks and the chin. We're going to start next to the eye, and I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a letter U that comes underneath for the chin and back up next to the other eye for the other cheek. And then let's draw the top of our panda's head. We're going to draw an upside down U shape or a rainbow line to connect and complete the shape of our panda's head. Good job. Okay, now let's add the ears. I'm going to draw a upside down U shape here and also an upside down U shape over here to match. Okay, now let's add the spot that goes around each eye. But first, so that we don't color in the spot completely black and then you can't see the eye, let's draw another circle around each of the pupils. We're going to do that over here to match. There we go. And then we're going to keep this white. Now let's draw the spot that goes around each of the panda eyes. I'm going to start on the cheek. And I'm going to go up over the eye and watch right here on the inside of the eye. I get a little bit closer and then here towards the outside, I'm further away. There you go. And then connect to the cheek. Yeah, let's do the same thing over here for the other spot on the other eye to match. We can color in the spot a little bit later. Let's move on to the body. We're going to draw two lines that come down from the chin. Yeah, and then let's give our little panda a tutu or a dress. We can connect the bottom. And then we're going to draw a little diagonal line that comes out to the left and then also out to the right. And then let's draw a little wavy line that connects these two together. And then at the very bottom, let's add an extra little detail. I'm going to draw little U shapes that connect to each other for the bottom of our dress. And you can add even more details to your dress, but let's leave it just like this. And let's draw the legs. I'm going to draw a letter U that sticks out from the bottom, and then another letter U for the other leg. Now we're gonna draw a little flower right here in the middle of our dress. I'm gonna start like this. We're gonna draw a circle that comes around like this, and then I'm gonna spiral into the middle. So right down here, you can draw a circle and then spiral in the middle. Yeah, and you could also connect it right here too. There you go. Now let's draw our little panda's arm. We're gonna draw it in front, and because we're coloring it in black, we can just color or draw over the dress. And I'm gonna do the same thing right here for another arm on the other side. So it comes in, and you could draw this a little bit bigger so that it touches the flower on both sides so that it looks like, so start here and then curve out. There you go. Yeah, and then you could also touch the flower on the other side too so that it looks, yeah, there you go. You made the arms a little bit bigger, and that's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and color it in so our friends can see what it will look like when we're done. So we're gonna color these arms in so that they're solid black, and then that's okay that the dress went through the arm because now you can't see it.
Yeah.
Our panda looks really cute with her dress, but she doesn't look like a princess yet. What should we add?
A crown.
A crown. Let's do it. Let's draw a little crown. I'm going to draw it kind of off to the side. I thought that maybe that might be cute. You could also draw it right on the center if you want. I'm going to draw 2 lines up. And then right in the middle, let's draw an upside down V in between those 2 lines. Yes, and then on the outside, we're going to connect to the left and also connect to the right. And then we could also draw a little circle for a gem. And
another circle on the top.
Oh, I love that you added 2 on each side. I'm going to do that too. I'm going to add 1 here and 1 here. And then also you could draw a little curve on the outside too. Now we have a princess panda, but it's not a fairy yet. What should we add to make it a fairy?
Wings.
Wings. Let's do it. Let's add a little wing that sticks out to the side. So I'm going to draw a diagonal line that comes out to the left and also out to the right. And then we're going to curve down and then into the body. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, down and into the body. And then let's give her another wing to make it kind of look like butterfly wings. So we're going to come out again on each side. So you could trace it out and then curve. Yes, just like that. And then we'll do the same thing. Trace and then curve out. And then right here at the bottom, we're going to curve under the dress and then connect in. And same over here. Olivia, we did it. We finished drawing our Princess Fairy Panda. She looks really cute, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, my favorite part. And we are going to fast forward. So remember to pause the video at the end if you want to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We're using our Art for Kids Hub gel crayons. These are really fun to use because they're super smooth and they go down really bright when you color with them.
Yes.
And also, if you run out of crayon and you need more, the bottom twists so that, look at that, more comes out if you need it. Yeah, you want to be careful. If you go too far, then it might break, but it goes out pretty far. Yes. So I love that these have the little cases to hold on to so that your hands don't get as messy. And they also have a little cap. So they're really fun to use. But you can use whatever you have at home to color with. Yes. Okay, let's keep going. Olivia, give me 5. We did it. We finished coloring our Princess Fairy Pandas, and yours turned out super cute. I especially love those pink wings.
Me too. And I like the pink cheeks.
I like the pink cheeks and your pink little nose. We also added extra things. I added little flowers that are floating around my panda, and you colored the outside yellow to make her look magical.
Yes, she looks super magical.
Yeah, she does, especially with her princess crown. You can color your drawings just like us, or you can change your drawings any way you want.
We hope you have fun drawing our Princess Fairy Panda.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.